Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase, first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Go to the search bar and type Amazon or directly enter amazon.com. Click on the first search result and go to sign in, which will be on the upper right. Make sure to sign in to your Amazon account. Once you've signed in, go to the upper right corner where you'll find the account and list option. Click on account. Under your account, locate digital services and device support and click on it. Scroll down and select software and games. Once you are on this page, you will see details regarding digital software and video games. Look for TurboTax or the version you purchase. Click on it to start the download. After downloading, you will need to enter the license number, which is a unique string of letters or numbers found in your Amazon order details. Copy and paste this license number to activate TurboTax, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.